Okay, gauging now.
Alignment is good. Keep it steady.
Readings are stable.
Confirmed. Proceed to depth.
Approaching, disengaging.
Hold it steady there.
Got it. Sparks are flying.
Good. Now work down the seam.
Almost through. Checking the edge.
Looks clean. Power it down.
Done. The current readings here don't match the charts.
I see it. The depth markers are off by 2 fathoms.
Right. We'll need to adjust the heading.
Agreed. I'll log it and inform the captain.
The readings are stable. Let's see what this is.
It's glowing brighter. The energy signature is off the charts.
Careful. Could be volatile. Let's take it back to the surface.
Agreed. Moving now.
There it is. The wreck.
It's bigger than I imagined. Be careful.
I see an opening. We need to get closer.
Agreed. But watch your oxygen.
All clear. Ready to surface?
Roger that. Ascending now.
Surface ship in sight. Steady pace.
Copy. Bubbles are good.
Steady now. Bring her down slow.
Copy lowering. Watch the waves.
Engines idle. Prepare for impact. Secure the line. Salvage. Steady now. Pull it tight.
Got it. It's heavy.
Almost there. One more heave.
Okay, secured.
Bringing the panels over. How's the checklist?
Almost done. Just need to verify the hydraulics.
Okay, I'm on it.
Check the pressure levels. Will do.
Let's check the fuselage alignment. Right. I'll get a closer look at the cockpit. I'll grab the calipers. The rivets look good from here. Here, let's get a measurement.
Hold it steady there.
Got it. Sparks are flying.
Good. Now work down the seam.
Almost through. Checking the edge.
Looks clean. Power it down.
Done. Hold it steady there.
Looks good. A little more on the edge.
Got it. Moving now.
Perfect. That's the spot.
Okay, gauging now.
Alignment is good. Keep it steady.
Readings are stable.
Confirmed. Proceed to depth.
Approaching. Disengaging.
The corrosion here is worse than I thought.
Agreed. It needs to be replaced. Let's check the engine mounts.
They seem fine. No visible cracks.
Good. I'll update the log. Okay, let's move. Hand me the rivet gun.
Here you go. Watch the torque.
Looks aligned. Go ahead. Securing the panel now.
Any issues with the alignment?
None. Proceed to the next. Copy that. Got the last batch from the pallet.
Good. Let's get them sorted.
Here's the next one.
Thanks. This goes in the engine tray.
Fuel lines are secure. Ready for engine check?
Yes, pressures are nominal. How's the starboard engine?
Looks good. Let's check the prop alignment.
Alignment is perfect. Ready for startup.
Excellent work. Cleaning these altitude sensors now.
Copy. Vacuuming the dust here.
Check the power couplings after.
On it, no anomalies yet.
Good. Let's finish the console.
Agreed.
The engine's failing. We need to land.
The storm is too intense. We have to try.
All right. I'll take the controls. Be ready.
Understood. Looking good. A little more on the upper panel.
Got it. Adjusting.
Perfect. That's the spot.
All right. Finishing this section. Good coverage. Let's move to the next.
Watch the edges. Don't get too close.
Got it. Holding steady.
Good coverage. One more pass.
Copy that. Finishing now. All right. Let's start on the lower panels.
Got it. Moving in steady passes.
Good coverage. I'll move up to the windows. Okay. Watch for drips on the curves. Okay. Let's get this section painted.
Masking is secure. You're clear.
Starting spray now.
Looks even. Next panel is ready.
Good. Moving to it. This side is clean. Check the other.
Confirmed. All clear. Ready to test.
Okay. Starting engine.
Roger. Watching for vibrations.
Engine's good. Moving out. Clear on the right. Go. Hull's in. Watch the spray. Looks stable. Keep her steady. Roger. There she goes! Full throttle!
Engines on
That's right! She's that for it!
What a sight. Incredible.